Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard hair soft and silky at home. First, choose a sulfate-free shampoo to cleanse your hair without stripping its natural moisture. Washing your hair 2 or 3 times a week is ideal, rather than every day, to maintain essential oils. Always finish your wash by rinsing with cool water. This helps to close the hair cuticles, locking in moisture and promoting a smoother texture. Next, deep conditioning is crucial for transforming hard hair. Once a week, apply a rich deep conditioner or a nourishing hair mask. Let it penetrate for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. For an extra boost of hydration, especially if your hair is very dry, consider using a lightweight leave-in conditioner after washing. This adds continuous moisture and helps keep your hair soft throughout the day. Natural oils are fantastic for softening hair. Try warming up a small amount of coconut oil or argan oil. Gently massage this into your scalp and through your hair for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps stimulate blood flow and distribute the oil evenly. For best results, leave the oil treatment on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight before shampooing. This deep nourishment can significantly improve hair texture. Finally, protecting your hair is key to maintaining its newfound softness. Try to minimize heat styling as much as possible, as excessive heat can lead to dryness and damage. When you sleep, switch to a silk pillowcase. It reduces friction and prevents tangles, keeping your hair smoother. Always brush your hair gently, especially when it's wet, using a wide-tooth comb to avoid breakage. These simple habits will help keep your hair silky.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.